to all of those folks throughout the entire world. They really feel like they are trapped. They assume that the situation for them remains unchanged. They think nothing is occurring to them. But this is what you really need to know. You're never ever trapped, because you have the ability to alter your thoughts, and changing your thinking changes your realities. The most important secret on the world is that our thinking shapes our realities. This is completely true. That is, you can get from your current situation to the situation that you want to be. By changing how you are thinking, by changing how you are feeling, by changing what you are really saying, and by changing what you are doing. You transform your life by altering your thinking. Make it a routine habit and practice it daily.